So don't recharge Jio Vouchers. So watch this video till the end, so you will know why I am saying this. So as the quarantine started, so many started using internet than normal. So if you are a high-end user, so if you think you will use the internet like that 10 GB per day or 5 GB per day, so recently Jio has launched work from home plans. So I have discussed this video in this. So I have discussed this in the previous video. So if you didn't see that video, check in the I button. So if you are a medium user, so you can opt for 4G data vouchers. So instead of recharging Jio vouchers for 11 rupees, so 101 rupees, so you can top up for 10 rupees. So you will get a 2x benefits, such as you will get a data vouchers for 1 GB. For if you recharging for 10 rupees, you will get 1 GB voucher, and additionally you will get a top up balance, some 7 rupees you will get. So you can use this account balance for additional recharge, or you can buy another data voucher using this, so you can get more data. So if you are a heavy internet user, this method will benefit you, so make use of this method. So if you are both data and, so if you think you need data plus call minutes, so you can go for work from home plan. This is best suited for you, this type of users. So if you are a heavy data user, so don't go for a 4G data voucher. Instead top up for 10 rupees to 20 rupees, so you can get account balance as well as data voucher. So using that account balance, again you can recharge using the 4G data voucher. So here you can see that I have got data balance also, and account balance is also increased. So this account balance can be used for another data recharge, or I can buy another plan using this. So this method helps you. So I hope that this video helped you a lot. So if you find this video helpful, so subscribe and click on this bell icon. So if you need more videos, stay tuned.